Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one beautiful 1959 convertible Galaxie, guys. There's a 352 under the hood. It's been on the rotisserie, and it is gorgeous. Now, the two colors on this are surf blue and Wedgwood blue. Very, very cool combination here. And as you can see, all the chrome's been redone. The chrome looks like it's brand new. All the trim's looking sweet. That grill's in beautiful shape. Just everything about this car has been restored. Now, this thing was done in about 2017. Now, there is one little imperfection in the hood right here. Very, very small, very, very hard to see. I doubt the camera even picks it up. You can see that all the trim around the windshield looks good. And then these spotlights. I got a story about these spotlights. My dad actually had a 57 Ford and restored it back in the 80s. I have it now. And I had to search all over the United States to find this set of spotlights for him. So I spent a lot of time looking for those babies. Look at this. That was back before the internet. That's back when you had to go out and actually search for stuff. You can see the door panels look good. Look at the door jamb in there. That's always a good gauge of the restoration on a car. If they spent time on the door jambs like this, you know they spent a lot of time on the rest of the car and they did a quality job. You can see the upholsteries on the seats are looking sweet. See the paintwork on the dash, all the chrome on the dash, everything looking great. Very, very cool car. Now, I go to all the car shows, all the auctions. I go all over the country looking at cars. And I look at a lot of these cars because obviously my dad loves these cars. I love them. Never do I see one done to this level of restoration, especially being on the rotisserie. You can see it's got the Continental Kit on it, looking sweet. Look at that. Look at all that chrome there, looking beautiful. Now you've got to lift up this spare tire to get the trunk open. And there is a handle, and it's right here. You lift that right up, then you can get the key into the trunk there, and the key goes right in that 500 hole there. Isn't that cool? Gas goes in right here. All the chrome back here also looking great. As you can see down the side on the passenger side, she is just as beautiful on the passenger side as she is on the driver's side. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this baby. So you know we did our homework before we picked her out. Then the first thing that happens to every vehicle here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can check out the bottom side, we can do our inspection, take pictures, do our videos, so Tom can answer all your questions when you call him at 248-974-9513. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. You can call him anytime you'd like. He'll tell you about any of our cars we have in inventory. Now, if you want to check out our inventory, go to website at vanguardmotorsales.com, and you're watching us on YouTube right now, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get another cool car in. All right, let's take this convertible for a ride. One of the coolest convertibles out there, baby. I guarantee you, drive in anywhere, you're not gonna see another one of these unless you happen to be at a Ford Fairlane event. This thing is sweet, guys, and it's been on the rotisserie. Like I told you earlier, you don't see these cars restored to this level ever. Now, as you can see out the windshield here, There are a few stone chips. It does look like the windshield's got a few miles on it. Just want to point that out to you. Tell you what, she's driving awesome. This baby has no Y block in it. This has got FE power, baby. 352 under the hood. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live, because we are shipping experts. We can also help you finance it if you need help with that. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you just how easy that process is. You can fill out an app online at vanguardmotorsales.com. Don't forget about that. And don't forget about subscribing to our YouTube channel and clicking that little bell so you get a notification every time we post a new video. I'll tell you what, I'm ready to go to the beach. Look down here on the dash. You can see the speedo's working. Looks like the gas gauge is working there, temperature gauge, and the horn's working. Now, it does look like it's got a original radio in it, and it's pretty shiny. And it's working. How do you like that, man? That's cool. Play you some oldies on that baby. Now, we are right outside of Detroit, and we're very close to the airport. So if you want to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net. But please, come on out and visit. We'd love to have you. If you want to send an inspector, we've got no problem with an inspector either. We will treat your inspector just like we'd treat you. We do have two facilities here in Detroit, only about 2 miles apart. One's our main shop that we're coming up on right now, and then we have our storage facility over there. You can go over and check out the cars. Now stick around, because we're about to do something nobody else does to every car in inventory. At Vanguard, every car in inventory goes up on the lift, and we're gonna do that for you right now. All right, we're underneath this old Ford now, and man, she is pretty under here. Like I said earlier, I crawl around underneath these all the time. You never see one of these cars brought to this level of restoration. You can see that the tank's new, the exhaust is new, the bottom side of the trunk here is all painted, looking good. These drop downs are all painted, looking good, and they look original to the car. So you know the car was well kept throughout the years. The rear end housing has got a 295 gear, and it is open. You can see it looks like they've got new U-bolts here, so they've had this all apart. The guys will take the brakes apart, make sure they're installed correctly. The lines look good. The shocks look like they're fairly new. You can see the frames all painted up, looking good. You can see the floors up here also look good. And now on a convertible, remember, you know, these things, you know, the tops typically leak a little bit, and the guys parked them outside. So the floors are normally gone on a convertible. Now these floors look original to me. I'll tell you what, it is nice under here, looking good. The frame looks great, all painted up. And look at these I-beams they use for the frame. I mean, these I-beams look like something you'd use to build a bridge. Now, of course, this is all stock. We've got the original automatic transmission. This is definitely similar to the one that would have came in the car originally. Looks like it's got a brand new power steering valve on it. That's been replaced. Again, the front brakes, the guys will pull them apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see new cotter pins and stuff here in this front suspension. The bushings are in decent shape. Front frame horns are nice and straight. I mean, everything under here is nice and clean. I would be proud to put a mirror underneath this car and show it off. Now, the tires are similar to what would have come on it back in the day, some wide whites. These are 8" by 14s. Work on our way back to rocker. Look how nice and clean this rocker is. Bottom side, back side, everything nice and clean. And the painter wasn't afraid to bend over and paint it, which is very cool. More than likely, they probably had this car on a rotisserie. Now the fender skirts are looking sweet. Same size tire back here, and these hubcaps, they're looking great. Now they do have a little bit of surface scratches on them. But again, don't forget how old this car is. Guys, let's get under the hood and check out that FE power. All right, under the hood here, we got FE power, which is very cool. A lot of these had Y blocks in them. This one is an FE 352. You can see that it does have power steering on it. That radiator looks similar to what would have came in here back in the day, but it probably is a rebuilt unit, and it has been painted up to look good. We got, looks like a brand new battery, brand new solenoid here. I see brand new shims in the upper control arms where they've done an alignment. I mean, everything under here is nice and clean. You can see the latch. They spent the time to coat the latch there. The windshield wiper motor's all nice and clean, looking sweet. I mean, the bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I mean, everything about this car looks like it's got a later model distributor, so it has been upgraded. The vacuum advance is not hooked up, and that's one of those things that you can make a decision on whether you're gonna use that or not when you do the tuning. So guys, this is one beautiful car. Obviously, I love it. I've got one similar to this. Of course, the top don't go down. I wish my top went down. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.